It's Alec back with the daily stock market investing video. Here we have a Webull account update. We haven't done a Webull account update in a while, so let's get right into it. Right now you'll see I have 5,400 in the market, cash balance of 43, buying power of 843. So you'll see I'm up 34% on the account total, which I'm up probably more than that. I've just been adding a lot of money recently, and I made most of my gains as well. But what you'll see, let's go over some of the individual stocks I have here. So Bank of America is the first stop, Upwork, Wells Fargo, Cirrus Logic, Dropbox, Nordstrom, and Tapestry. So these are all my newer picks here. Guys, the video you're watching is one that I did forget to upload. So here you'll actually see the same account. And if you get to later in the video, you'll realize my point. But here you'll actually see I have no red basically on any of the positions that were red. Cirrus Logic was 5% red. Now we're up 15%. If you look at Upwork, it was down like 1% or something, and now it's up 39%. Work, 13%. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this was an old video that I did forget to upload. I'm doing this voice recording on present day, but let's get back into the video. So you'll see some of them are red. My biggest red position is Cruise. Cirrus Logic, almost down 5% on that one, which means I'm going to be adding a lot more to that position. Looks like a good buy for me. And all these other ones that I'm down a little bit on. Because what you don't realize, this is what you see right here, but what you guys don't realize is that these stocks that I'm scrolling down here, I was down. Like if, for example, let's just take Revolve Group, Del Taco, Carnival, especially Carnival. I was down on a lot of these stocks, 10%, 20%, I think was the biggest one I was down on. So what you guys need to start developing is more of a long-term mindset, because this is what your profile can look like if you actually give it the time of growth that the stock market needs. You know, I remember when a lot of these positions, I was up only 5% on some of them, down 5% on some of them. So at the end of the day, if your portfolio looks something along the lines of this, and you're like, why isn't my account growing crazy? You got to give it a few months. You got to give it 3 months, 6 months for a lot of these stocks to be popping. You know, Toll Brothers, I'm up 147% on that one, for example. You know, Macy's, 60%. Kohl's, 40%. Kirkland's, 700%. Revolve Group, 142%. You know, Del Taco, 230%. Carnival, 73%. Wynn Resorts, 68%. Uber, 81% too. So you just got to give it some time. You know, stocks do bounce back in an awesome way too. That's what I love about the stock market. Is for me, it's totally hands off. I just buy these stocks and let them sit over the course of 12 months, 6 months, some of them, even 3 months. Some of them I'll start cashing out on if I'm up 30% and I don't see it gaining anymore. These ones, all the ones that I'm holding right now, I see more gains in their future is the thing. You know, I see another 100%, see another 30%. Kohl's, for example, I see another 20%. You know, Toll Brothers, I see another 50% plus. Cheesecake, I see another 20%. Tapestry, I see another 30%. Nordstrom's, I see 40-50%. Dropbox, you know, it's the value is endless on the stock list here, and these are the ones that I'm holding, and it's a difference between holding and buying as well. So for a lot of these ones I'm up a lot on, I don't know if I would necessarily go out of my way and buy more currently at the price point they're at. Maybe I would wait until they drop a couple 10, 20, 30% on these ones that we're looking at on the screen right now. But as far as these ones, you know, up here, these are some of my newer ones, so I'm definitely expanding a lot of these positions right now. So you'll see some of these top ones when we come back and check in 3 months, 6 months on this account. You'll see it looks something more along the lines of this too. So it's all like watering a plant, working out at the gym. You know, everything does take time. If it was just so easy as just buying a stock and holding it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you see 10, 20, 30%, yeah, you're going to see that in some stocks. It's going to happen sometimes. But a lot of the real winners, you have to see the value in it long term, 6, 12 months out. ARK Investments, for example, the ETF ARK, you guys probably know it. Everything they do is a 5-year look. So they're looking at projections 5 years from now. So if you guys can't even look at projections 3 months, 6 months, 12 months from now, then, you have to kind of rethink of what your goals are for the stock market, because some of the best investors in the world, every one of the best investors in the world, they look 10 years out, 5 years out, 2 years out, 1 year out. No one's looking just a few months out in the stock market and making crazy gains too. And if you are making crazy gains like that in a few weeks, day trading, the opposite can happen very easily. Instead of 12 months earning 700% in 12 months, if you earn 700% in 1 week, guess what's going to happen? You're probably going to lose 700% the next following week. So this is more of a sustainable, long-term approach at investing that's going to compound interest over a long term as well. So that's what it's all about. It's not getting rich today. You got to look 5 years out in your future. How much money do you want to have in your bank account? Are you on track for your goals? 10 years from now, do you want to retire in 10 years? You have to start stock market investing right away then. And you really want to just aim for 15, 20, 25, even 30% a year should be your maximum goal. That's if you're sitting at 20 to 30%, even 15%, you're eating good, you're living beautifully, and you can retire a lot quicker too. If you haven't seen my compounding interest video, go ahead and check it out on my YouTube channel. It's called How to Retire with $1.8 million in 20 years. It's an amazing video about compounding interest. It's the 8th wonder of the world. So I highly recommend that video. It's one of my best videos. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out as well. All right, and if you guys love this video, remember, leave a like on it, thumbs up it, smash it, kill it. See what you guys are made up. I haven't seen too many likes on my videos lately. I see a lot of views. We're growing in views every single day, lots of views, but it's the same amount of likes, So if you guys do like it, feel free to slap a like on it. Don't be afraid to like, subscribe to my YouTube, and remember, don't time the market, guys, buy the market. Peace.